In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. This is Zulfikar Ali from Pakistan and presently doing my master degree here in National Koshang University of Science and Technology, Taiwan, Koshang, Taiwan. So this is the short introduction. I am basically the final semester student in the NKUST Taiwan. So moving toward the graduate study, that I have a little bit experience in the research writing and the research writing skill, presenting or problem defining the problem and solving the issue. During my master's study, I have attended two conferences. One is ISET International Symposium on Engineering and Technology in Nantou, Taiwan. I have presented one conference there, and one conference in Japan, that is PHENMA 20 in Japan, and I have presented online in that conference. That is two conferences I have attended, and at the same time I have published two a review paper. One is as first author and another one is as the co-author. Co-author paper in a CIE journal IEEE Access, that is Fault Management in DC Microgrid, a review of challenges, countermeasures and future research direction. And based on that review paper, I defined some problems which need to be resolved in the future system. So now I am working on my thesis topic, that is basically the three-phase bidirectional AC/DC converter in a chipboard microgrid system, which is because the converter is basically the integrating device between the sources to transfer power. In my case, I'm working on the voltage stability and control of AC/DC converter in a DC microgrid system. What happens basically, the main interest is that due to varying the load condition which is connected to the DC bus, so the bus voltage become vary, and it become the reason of voltage instability on the DC bus voltage. If the bus voltage is unstable, then the whole system will be shut down suddenly. It's the basic issue. So I am using the PIN fuzzy logic controller for the AC/DC converter to stabilize the DC bus voltage under load rejection mode, and this paper is under review. Hopefully it will be accepted in the later on. And there's the short introduction of me. And then moving toward the graduate study, I am interested in continuing the graduate study in the field of electrical engineering and computer science institute, and my ultimate research goal is to obtain the PhD degree. And I am searching different institutes offering different assistantship for PhD degree. Luckily, when I visited National Chaitanya University website, NCTU website, I found that NCTU is offering wide range of research opportunity in field of electrical engineering and computer science. And I'm skilled computer electrical engineer and as well as a practitioner. And I believe NCTU is an irreplaceable academy in realizing the dream to contribute this world. And I have full list of practical experience enthusiasms for advanced knowledge in the artificial intelligence and machine learning, a prospective vision to embrace the future technology, having the best motivation and ability to thrive in the NCTU scholarship, and NCTU scholarship, and as well as I am well prepared to study in your STEM university. I believe that I will be the best choice. And I choose NCTU because it is very the good reputation not only in the Taiwan but also around the world. And the program that I chose in the NCTU institute is rated as one of the best institute in highly accredited. When I visited university campus website, I felt instantly welcoming in the warm, relaxed atmosphere of the department, which I have never looked before. The large student population almost guaranteed that there will be a quite a lot of people with same interest as me, and I noticed that the university has society for almost everything. Thank you so much.